guys.
Hi.
There we go. See, she does talk. Right, we're going to give her a break from the old bird for a bit. Just call her the old cow for a bit, not really. So it's just me carrying the ominous blob behind us, Tammy. I'll probably end up in the water. Sun's out today. I mean, a bit of the path still flooded from yesterday's rain. Back at our honey hole, that's what we call it, don't we?
Yeah.
I mean, we've had guns, bullets, shotgun shells, mortars from here. Hopefully we can get some more today. Right.
No. Let's get dipping.
Beat me to it again. First we're out. Nice random chunk of metal. Some sort of pin badge. Oh no, it's not a pin badge, it's... more little random bits. Some more little bits of scrap. Another file. That's number 3 for me now. Oh, shotgun shoe.
Pulled out this horseshoe. Looks a bit...
Still your first horseshoe.
It's my first horseshoe.
Quite interesting. Where gone now? Nail. A couple of bits of... There's 5p to add to the collection. It's weird. Metal on the back, rubber like bushy kind of thing on the front. Back up to the top of the bridge now. This is the spot that we've had most of our finds so far. So, see if we can get anything else, eh, Karen?
Yeah. 2p and a nice bit of metal.
I feel like I'm repeating Karen now. A bit of metal and a 2p coin. It's part of a bike though.
2 pennies on there. And if anybody knows what this is, comment down below, please.
It's an interesting bolt. It's got the thread that end, but then it's wavy. Cool.
Nice bit of scrap.
Bit of metal.
Some more scrap.
Nice bottle cap. It's a shame it's not actually from the year. It says on the top.
Got a spoon and a battery.
Some sort of weird tool, look. But it separates and then it's got that sharp bit. I don't know if you can see through the camera. Well, it says Signa Sheffield on it. Another random big chunk, that.
Stud that. It's got a wooden handle bit. And then just a few bits.
Brake lever.
Nice bit of scrap.
Another scaffolding clamp.
Bit of scaffolding. Ooh! Nice bit of rebar.
That. Whatever it is, I don't know. And a metal pole.
Got metal pole. There's a penny and a bit more, a few bits of scrap.
Little metal pole, and then some random bits on there, and another 10p.
Found this old, just pulled out this old camera. I'm going to take it back and clean it and save that.
Another metal pole, bottle cap and a couple of nails.
Another metal pole.
Load of random hoops.
And just pulled out whatever that is.
Bit of rebar.
Bit of rebar.
Just pulled out that. Metal pole.
Random piece of pole with loads of spiky bits. I got a ring. Give that the missus. Nice big chunk. I'm not about myself. That was my last throw of the day. I got that. Looks like it's now part of a pot or a case. Whatever that is, some sort of old buckle. A couple of bits of metal. You go.
No, you go.
You go.
You go.
You go. You've got fans now, love.
You go.
Come on, hashtag Team Cara.
No. Come on, you do it.
People are coming, so you need to hurry up.
No, we've done it for today. Come on, you can finish.
It's been an alright day. Kerry's had her old camera. Load and load of scrap, couple of bits. I've got a couple of tools I'm taking home, clean up. Keep an eye out on the Facebook for that. Please like and subscribe to the video. Well, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Leave a comment down below. Hit the notification bell as well, and you can find us on Facebook, Instagram and now Twitter. So get finding us on social media. Well yeah, but this is a YouTube video. So you got Tan Bob here. She has been fishing with us. So
Just hid.
fun new magneteers today. Goodbye.